with Vapor Honing Technologies today. We have Terrence here today. What we're doing is we've been working with a Honda Z50 here, and I think this is a 1978.
That is correct, yeah.
Cool deal. What we've been doing, we're prepping this frame. We're trying to have a little fun here, prepping the frame for some new paint. We were able to pull the paint off. And what abrasive do we use when we did that?
We use silicon carbide. 70 mesh is what we used. So.
And it was, what was that, about 120 PSI?
Yeah, we used it at 120 PSI, and it was very quick. It removed everything. Where you can see where the rust was, it was pitting into the frame. It removed everything. Grime, grit, paint.
And what you can tell here too on this frame is you get a nice coarse profile on the surface. And when we talk about profile, I talk about anchoring profile for those of you who have dealt with coatings before. Obviously you want a good profile on the surface. When you coat this part, it actually bonds to the part itself, the coating does, so it doesn't come off as easily versus a smooth part. Some people have a misconception about vapor honing and any slurry blast system in that it can't achieve the correct anchor profile. And that's all about what abrasive you're using, right? I mean, we've used a couple different abrasives, and I mean, you get a really good edge surface, don't you?
Absolutely, especially with the silicon carbide, absolutely.
Right. And I think that you could attest to 120 grit, or I mean, excuse me, 120 PSI is what is important.
That is right, yeah.
You know, for the
very
process.
high flow, yes.
And so you're not going to be able to do this if you don't have the CFMs. I mean, we're pulling what? How many CFMs?
40 CFMs.
40 CFM on the industrial gun that we have in the big systems.
That's right.
And I mean, that's to sustain 120 PSI. If you cannot provide that CFM, you're not going to hold that PSI. And you're not going to be able to do work quickly, especially when you're trying to remove coatings like this.
That's right. And we also use a 12mm tip with this as well.
Right.
So it uses a lot of air.
To really flow the product. But we're going to do some painting on it. We can show you some pictures after we're done, just to clean this 40-year-old piece back up. And it was pretty effortless.
It was.
A lot of fun. So you guys can do this yourself, or if you have a business, you can certainly do this as well. And we can help you find out what combination of abrasive to use. And of course, if you have any support issues, that's where Terrence comes in. He's completely versed and well-rounded in the product and how he can figure out a solution to help you get back up and running if you have issues. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. We're going to keep working on this project and having some fun. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.